Okay, we're taking notes on the order of operations today. The order of operations is a agreed upon order for all math problems. So agreed upon order for all math problems. That means that people all over the world are doing their math problems in the same order to make sure we get the same answers. Open up to the P, which stands for parentheses. Parentheses mean to multiply. So anytime we see a parenthesis, it means to multiply. We can have it that looks like this, this, and they even look like that. Next, we're going to open up to our E, which stands for exponents. Exponents could look like a 2 to the second power, which is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. It could look like 1 to the 10th power, which is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, all the way to 10 times. Our exponent tells me how many times I see that same number. We could also have a negative 9 to the 5th power, which means negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9 times negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also see a variable to a power. We can see a number to a variable power. But this just means we're taking the bigger number, our big number down here, and we're multiplying it by itself however many times the exponent tells us to do so. Next, we've got our M and our D. Our M and our D mean to multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. When we get to this step, the really important piece to remember is you have to go left to right. So once you've got the exponents done, once you've got the parentheses done, you're looking at which multiply problem to do or which division problem to do. You read just this section like a book. So if I had a problem 4 times 6 times 3, first thing I do are the ones I see first. 24 times 3, which gives me 72. If I've got 6 divided by 6 divided by 3 divided by 2. I do the ones I see first only because I don't have any more exponents or any more parentheses to look at. So I only look at left to right when I'm talking about multiplying or dividing when I get to that section. So here, multiplying's easier, but it's not what I see first. So I need to do my division problem first because that's what's the first thing I see in the problem. And then I can put that multiplication on there. 2 times 8 divided by 4. I need to do the first problem, and then I can do the second problem. I can only do left or right, though, when I get to the multiply and dividing. I have to get the parentheses and exponents done first, no matter where they are in our math problem. Our last section is our A and our S, which is to add or subtract? Add or subtract, and this is the same thing. Go left to right. Only when we get to this section here can we go in an order from left to right. We have to get everything else done first. So 4 plus 3 minus 2. I need to do my 4 and my 3 first. And then I can subtract my 2. On this problem, 100 minus 80 plus 20. If I do this in the wrong order and I add these numbers up first, 80 plus 20 gets me 100. That would say 100 minus 100. But that's not how I have to do this problem. I have to do this number first. 40 plus 20. I'm sorry, what did I put 40? That should be a 20 right there. 100 minus 80 is 20, and then my other 20, my final answer is 40.